How to add HTML to Figma. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add HTML code or content into Figma, perfect for designers collaborating with developers. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on your device. After that, click on search bar and open Figma app. Now, before we begin, Figma doesn't directly run or render HTML, but you can still bring in your HTML content for reference, mockup, or a handoff. First, copy the HTML code you want to use. This could be a UI layout or a part of web element. Here I am first opening VS Code to copy the HTML code. Now simply copy the code. Now open your Figma app. Now use the text tool to paste the HTML as plain text. Or you can also use a plugin like HTML to Figma or Code to Design to visually convert your HTML into Figma layers. Go to Resources, which is on the top. Then find Plugins option here and search for HTML to Figma. Run the plugin, paste your code, and it will generate a layout from your HTML. After importing, you can clean up the layers, adjust spacing, and apply Figma styles to match your design system. And that's it. This is how you add HTML to Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.